I'm Jen Fenner, Managing Director of DefProc Engineering. We are an innovation partner. We specialise in proof of concepts, prototypes, design for manufacture and small-scale production. We've developed a smart gas pressure sensor. The sensor is going to sit on the supply side of the consumer's property. Our solution will provide unprecedented visibility for the gas networks. We're utilising IoT and we're using LoRaWAN as a way to communicate back to the networks. As soon as there's a low pressure detected, they'll be able to see the data in their operations room and be able to know exactly where the problems are and then be able to send the engineers to go and complete that repair. This will reduce the time to repair and getting customers back on supply. The Hydrogen Accelerator has been incredibly valuable. The mentors and the technical experts that we've been able to work with have provided real in-depth and insightful information and feedback, and it's really kind of helped us understand where we need to go with our product for the future. Our main priority is going to be producing the business plan for the next 3 to 5 years, looking at what the hydrogen economy is going to be looking like and how we can plan for that, what funding we're likely to need, and how we deliver it at scale for the networks.